What's up, guys? Welcome into your workout for Wednesday, May 27th. Now today we have what looks like a big old long to-do list of work. So let's just kind of get on the same page and make sure we know how to go about this workout, and then we'll go over the movements as well. So basically today we're going to work for 5 minutes and we're going to rest for 5 minutes. Let's talk about the equipment that we'll need for today. A jump rope, a pair of dumbbells, a single dumbbell could possibly work today as well. I would recommend something along the lines of an odd object, maybe a plate or a ball or something like that for you guys for the work today. Other than that, that's all you guys are going to need. So let's go over kind of how the workout's going to go real quick. So when we see a buy-in, which is going to be where the jump rope comes into play, that means that we're only going to do that jump rope portion one time, and then we're going to do for the remaining 5 minutes the work that's going to be set for what we have is burpees and then the dumbbell movements for today. So again, buy-in is you're only going to hit the jump rope to start each round once. All right. So let's kind of pay attention to what the movements are, because each round, so we have 3 of them today, each round is going to be a different movement. Now that's going to be both for the dumbbell movements and for the body weight only work today as well. And I'll get off into that here in just a sec. All right, so starting off, we got the pair of dumbbells. It's going to be front squats. All right, so pretty simple on that one. You guys can either rest one-handed dumbbell up. A little bit more mobility is required if you guys want to stand them up as so. You can also hold them like this. However, I want a full grip. We're not just going to kind of let them rest and then just have them, kind of just hanging out right here. So try to get that full grip. And then from there, it's just a front squat, right? So all we're going to do, a little sore from Murph, so we moved a little slow today. Just dumbbell front squat, very basic, very simple. All right? Let's talk about if you guys only have one dumbbell, right? So for the front squats, it's probably going to be the easiest, because then you guys can either hold it as, one hand on each head. You guys can go goblet style, totally fine. You don't have to change any of the reps. However, when it comes to the next 2 movements, if you only have one dumbbell, all right, when it comes to the thrusters, you can choose to do it with a single arm, or kind of the same style where you're going to hold it as so, and then you can go about your thruster as so. Okay? You don't have to change the reps on that one. If you want to go with the single arm, I'd probably just bump it up to an even number and then split the reps accordingly on each arm. So just again, go back to the thrusters. You guys have 2 dumbbells, full front squat, overhead all in one motion. Now the cluster, what that basically is, short for a squat clean thruster. The dumbbells, they're going to go from the ground. We're going to have a big jump. We're going to catch at the bottom of our squat. When we come out of it, we're going to finish all the way overhead. So what that's going to look like, touch the floor, catch underneath, and then overhead. I can bring it back down. Arms are going to be straight. Just one hand of the dumbbell touch, as so, as I'm going along. Right? That is the cluster. Now, if you have one dumbbell, that may get a little challenging. Probably recommend going with the single arm. It's going to be in between. Just a simple touch, catch underneath, overhead. Right? It might be a little hard to kind of do with one. Hey, if you guys want to go through it, go for it. Okay, you guys can definitely do that one as well. Not have to change any of the reps up. All right, so that is the dumbbell movements. The lateral burpees, really simple. We've done these once before. You're just going to burpee down nice and close to your dumbbell. You don't have to stand all the way up like I am right now when you hop over, so try to stay low to the ground, low, smooth, and you guys will get those done. All right, that's the equipment version. If you guys are looking at the all body weight only, same thing. We're going to go through, it's going to be different movements, kind of like a progression of each movement. For today, if you guys don't have a jump rope, we can go jumping jacks. You guys will be able to see that on there. Movements for the body weight only, just regular standard burpees, because we're assuming we don't have any dumbbells if we're doing body weight only. So regular burpees, reverse lunges. Now this first one, the first round, is just going to be a normal kind of just reverse step back lunge, right? So just a gentle little touch, stand all the way up, switch legs as you guys are going through. Pretty simple. The next one for round 2 is going to be an alternating jumping lunge. So I'm still doing the same movement, right? But now I'm adding a little bit bit of a jump, especially when I come out of it. So it's the part where I want to come out and switch, and then just look to go through those ones. Third and final round, we're gonna do a jumping squat. When it comes to a jumping squat, basically it's just a normal air squat, but then when we're coming out, we're gonna look to jump. You guys don't have to try to jump as high as possible. The key is to try to just connect the reps as you guys are going along. So from that full squat, right, nice little jump, and then I'm right back down into it. Try to be light on the feet. You know, again, you don't have to jump super high, just trying to connect them. You guys will get a good burn throughout those legs and get a good workout, right? All right, so that should cover it for Wednesday. Hope you guys enjoy. See you for Thursday.